Welcome to Pick Your Best One, your true product review friend.
Today, I am back once again, with another high-quality product review. And, we have picked, Dremel 3000 Cordless Rotary Tool, for today's video. We provide, the product buying link, of Dremel 3000 Cordless Rotary Tool, in the video description. Please, check it out. Are you looking for a small, portable, lightweight but high-efficient cordless rotary tool and drill machine? Then you can go with the Dremel 3000 Cordless Rotary Tool. With lots of useful features, it is one of the best rotary tools. You can use it easily for multiple purposes. Let's check out its amazing features. Feature 1. Slim and ergonomic body. This rotary tool comes with a slim and ergonomic body, which is an amazing feature of this mini drill. It has a 360-degree grip zone which adds comfort and grip during extended use. Feature 2. Innovative airflow system. It provides a ventilation mechanism, which helps to prevent heat buildup. Thus, you can get smoother, cooler, and quieter operation from the machine. Feature 3. 6 variable speeds. It provides a greater control with 5,000 to 35,000 RPM variable speed. So, you will get maximum accessories with great versatility and precise tool control during operation. Feature 4. Variable control. You will find various controls in this rotary tool. There is a separate on and off switch, and quick collet lock for fast accessory changing. It also provides a nose cap wrench for changing the accessories. Feature 5. Motor brushes with sealed ball. It has a motor brush which is replaceable. The motor also has a sealed ball bearing which can keep the motor cool. Thus, it can get a longer tool life. Let's go for the best benefits of the Dremel 3000 Cordless Rotary Tool. Benefit 1. Portable and user-friendly. This is a very lightweight and user-friendly rotary tool. You can easily carry this slim body machine. Moreover, it is user-friendly. While working, you will find enough grip on it. Benefit 2. Versatile rotary tool kit. This rotary tool also has 2 attachments, 28 high-quality Dremel accessories, plastic storage case, and accessory case. These accessories are very useful for you. Benefit 3. 2 years tool warranty, and US-based customer service. It provides the customer with a 2 years warranty. There is US-based customer service which is also available by chat, email, phone, or you can get the servicing done by visiting service centers. Benefit 4. High performance 1.2 ampere motor. This rotary tool has 6 various speed controls, and 1.2 ampere motors. Thus, it can provide maximum power and performance at all speeds. Benefit 5. Multifunctional. You can use it for multitasking. It is ideal for DIY or crafting projects like sanding, sharpening, grinding, cutting, carving, polishing, and cleaning. Let's check its applications. Application 1. Carving and engraving. Whether you need carving and engraving on soft or hard materials, this Dremel 3000 Cordless Rotary Tool offers the best with right accessories. Application 2. Cutting. The versatility of a rotary tool allows you to cut just about any material precisely. Application 3. Cleaning and polishing. You can use the tool to clean and polish a variety of soft and hard materials. Who should buy it? Those who need cutting, engraving, or polishing various types of material for personal or professional usages, can buy Dremel 3000 Cordless Rotary Tool.